doing, buddy? What are you doing? Hello? What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, fuck you! Stupid prick. Doesn't fucking know what he's doing. Good on ya. Fucking hell, what is that? Well, good on you, buddy. You could have stayed in this. Oh no, he's going to go to the left now. Yeah, boy, what a dodo. Oh, come on, dickhead. Fucking hell, you fucking asshole. You just had to fucking do that, didn't ya? Oh, come on, dickhead. Fucking hell, you fucking asshole. You just had to fucking do that, didn't ya? The fucking roadworks and you gotta cut me off, you prick. What the fuck's that? What the fuck's that? Dickhead?